Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today is Christmas Day. I hope you guys had a beautiful and lovely Christmas with your family and your friends or whoever you share it with, and if you don't share it, I hope you just had a beautiful day. I wanted to show you this look for New Year's Eve, my first New Year's Eve look. Probably gonna be my only New Year's Eve look because I don't think I'm gonna have time to film another one, but I did get some awesome palettes for Christmas that I was just like, I need to film like ASAP. So I got the McGrath Trio palettes and just look, stunning, beautiful. My husband got it for me and I'm just like blown away. Like, you keep raising the bar on these makeup gifts. So yes, kudos to him. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so let's get started on the eyes. Like I said in my intro, or at least I think I'm gonna say it, because you know I don't film the intro until after, but I was gifted by my amazing husband the 3 trio of the McGrath eyeshadow collection, and this is Mothership Subversion second palette, Bronze Ambition, Platinum Bronze. I am like in awe. I cannot believe that he knew that I would love Pat McGrath, but there's that one. This is the Platinum Bronze. Here is Bronze Ambition. I really like, I really like this palette right here. And I'm only going to be using these 3 palettes today. And there's, this one's beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. I'm like, So we're only going to be using these palettes, and then for my eyes today, so I'll have everything listed down below. This will probably not be a talk through, it'll probably be a voiceover, just depending on the noise, because it is Christmas Day. Obviously, I've told you that it is Christmas Day, so everybody's kind of doing their own thing. They got their presents, they're playing their video games. Adrian got a Surface Pro, so he's, you know, playing with that, and I got my makeup that I'm playing with. I wanted to put together a look for New Year's Eve, and because I do have one Christmas look up, I was trying to get another one up, but you know, life happens, family happens, and you know, holidays happen, so I wasn't able to, so my bad on that part. But I did want to put up a look for New Year's Eve, just in case I didn't have time later on to put one up. I have time right now, so let me go ahead and just put one up for you guys. And that might be my last video. This might be my last video for 2018. I cannot believe it is almost over. I cannot believe it. It's like so crazy how time flies. I hope that you guys had a very Merry Christmas. Let's get with the makeup. So I have already done my face. I've already done my foundation. I have done my eyes. I feel like this light is blinding the fuck out of me. Done my face, and I have primed my eyes, and I have done my brows. So let's go ahead and start with the eyeshadow look. Of course, I have no idea what I'm doing, but other than me using these palettes today. But like I said, I will have every shadow that I put on linked down below or in a lower third title, whatever. So I cannot believe he like even knew. I guess all those Sephora stops really did pay off. Let's go ahead and jump right in to the eyeshadow look, and it would have helped if I would have cleaned my brushes, huh? Oh well, too late. So for my crease, go in with this color right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just like put that in my crease. Oh my god, I need a little compact. They are so pigmented. Look at that. I'm just gonna take it like right underneath my brow and kind of just like almost smoke it right there. I really like doing that here lately. Kind of almost gives this like dramatic effect. I'm gonna dip into this blue right here and I'm gonna put that on my outer corner.
Looks like I'm walking around with this.
And then I'm gonna go back in with that first. That first was nothing, with whatever's left on it. I'm gonna go in and just kind of blend out those edges. And don't worry if you get like some fallout or whatever, we can always go back and clean it up because we've only done just the foundation, so it's no big deal. Now I think I want to take this gold right here. I think I'm going to take this gold and I'm going to put it on the rest of my lid. And I'm just packing it on with a flat brush, with a flat packer brush. I kind of want to put like a tiny bit of this pink, but I don't know if I want to go underneath or what. This pink right here. I kind of want to just like put it like in the center. I'm kind of curious, but so let's just do it. Like, why not? Oh, baby. That looks like magic. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just like living for this right now. So mainly I've only used this palette and this palette, and I've only used one color out of here. So let's go ahead and use this shade right here, and let's put that right in the inner tear duct. I'm gonna go in with that color right there, and let's put it right in the center of our tear duct. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera and then we will come back. So let me do the other eye and I will be right back. Alright guys, here comes the voiceover. So first things first, we're gonna wing out this wing liner with the Inglot number 77 gel liner. And I'm gonna take my MAC, I think it's 210 brush. I'll have it listed down below, but it is one of my favorite brushes to do my liner. If you are wanting like a more detailed on how to do my wing, on how I do my wing liner, I'll list it, I'll have it linked in one of the clips, so that way you can check that out. Once once you're done with that, take a makeup wipe and then go ahead and just clean up the edges of that liner just to make sure it's nice and cut and precise. Yep. Look at that. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and highlight the brow bone. I did dip into my Carli Bybel palette because I just gravitated all the time to highlight, and I really love this color to highlight my brow bone, but I could have used one out of the palettes that I said I was only going to use, so my bad. Let's curl the lashes and then pop on some mascara. I'm going to use the Nars Climax mascara they just came out with. I'm not like a super fan. I mean, it's okay, but I think I still prefer my L'Oreal Lash Paradise over this one, to be pretty honest. Taking my ColourPop in the color Swerve, I'm going to go ahead and just fill in my top waterline, and because I don't want to see any skin and I just want it to be dark. Taking my NYX Wonder Pencil in Nude, I'm going to go ahead and put that on my lower waterline, and just it's going to give that more open eye effect because I have a heavy eye. Now I'm going to go in with Rose Risque, and I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line. Pretty much what I do in like all my videos because I just like the look of it, really. I feel like it just completes the eye. So, and then I'm going to take that gold and put it in the front, the front corner of my eye. I can't think of the word. Or the description, I should say. Now I'm going to go ahead and just coat my bottom lashes and then pop on some Lily lashes in style Miami. I'm going to go ahead and just zoom out for you guys as I get ready for my lips. I'm going to go ahead and take MAC color in Cork lip liner, and I'm going to go ahead and just line my lips with that color because that is my jam. Followed by the liquid lipstick Dose of Colors Nude Chica. That is my all-time favorite in nude. Followed by putting MAC Myth on top of this, in the center basically, and then followed by my Urban Decay lip gloss in Walk of Shame. That is my go-to color, just in case you didn't know. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys had a really Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys have a great New Year's. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to film another video this year, but if I get a chance, I definitely will. And I hope you guys are safe and happy, and I will see you guys in my next video.